Welcome back to Cook It Right, guys. We're here at Atlas Culinary Institute, located at Dasmariñas, Cavite, and I am with the Chef Lawrence Zafra. Yes.
Good morning.
Dapat ako pala pag nag-ano tayo.
Good morning,
diba?
Chef. Good morning.
My mentor and my good friend. So, Chef, what are we making for today?
For today, we're making a silog concept. And this konseptong Pinoy, di ba? Kahit anong ikabit mo, Chef, Pilipino pa rin. Pinoy food pa rin siya. But it actually started with yung famous na tapa. Which is originally dried beef or Carabao meat.
Dried.
Okay. And itong gagawin natin, Chef, ngayong araw, meron tayong sirloin.
Sirloin.
Oo, beef sirloin na imamarinate. Pwede natin, Chef, i-marinate na.
Okay, so ito po
konting soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Yan, ang legacy sa atin ng mga Chinese.
Yes.
Okay? Then, para lumambot, Chef, agad yung beef, may konting sikreto dyan eh.
Oo nga.
Soda water.
Soda water.
Or pwede rin yung mga soda na matatamis, na walang kulay. Kung gusto mo may kulay, okay lang din, Chef.
Okay, so
wala namang,
yung purpose po talaga ng soda water or yung carbonated drink, carbonated drink, is para lumambot.
Pampalambot.
Pampalambot.
Set this aside, Chef. Okay. And mamaya, ipiprito natin yan. Isi-sear natin. And, syempre, hindi mabubuo yan kung walang
Sinangag.
Ano yung Sinangag.
Hindi sinigang, ha?
Hindi sinigang. Yun yung last, natin ginawa. Episode. Habang ginagawa mo yan, Chef.
Yes, please.
Parang nasa restaurant
tayo.
Sabay-sabayan, may apoy, no? Gagawin ko naman, ang traditional kasi itlog fried.
Okay, yes.
Ito para medyo konting healthy.
Healthy.
So, iwas muna tayo sa oil. May oil yan, may oil yung tapa. Yung itlog, bawasan natin ng oil.
Para meron tayong equilibrium.
May equilibrium.
Balance.
Yes. So, ito, gagawin natin, Chef, poached egg.
Poached eggs.
Poached eggs. No? Ang kailangan lang natin, tubig na hindi masyadong kumukulo. Yung warm lang siya.
Warm.
Na barely may makikita kayong mga bula, no? May bubbles. Then, we will add vinegar. This vinegar will help solidify or coagulate. Strengthen the egg white, yung protein.
Yan ang mga dapat na lalaman ng tao.
Okay? Kailangan to. We must make a whirlpool. Twirl natin bago ihulog yung egg. Da-drop natin sa middle. Yun.
Yun, no?
Okay. So, one at a time. Ikot. So, gently maluluto to, Chef. Yan. Ayan, tayo natin.
Ganda, oh.
Okay.
So, maraming tao dyan na natatakot magluto o gumawa ng poached egg. So, ito na po yung technique na turo na sa atin.
Yes.
Ni Chef Lawrence.
Chef Lawrence. Huwag nyo lang, Chef, di ba? Turo nga sa atin. Huwag masyadong galawin. Until mag-solidify na yung whites niya. Okay, ito naman. Sisir na natin, Chef. Piprituhin na. Bagya lang prito para nandun pa rin yung lambot ng yung beef.
Parang dapat matutunan din natin mga Pinoy yan, yung kumain ng medyo medium rare.
Oo, yes.
Sarap yan.
Okay, so
we're using brown rice pa.
Para healthy, Chef.
Healthy.
So, di ba? Medyo healthy tayo.
That's what you wanna get, no? Okay na po ako dito sa ating
Yan. So, set aside na yun.
sinangag.
Okay. Sasalang pa natin yung isa. So, juicy pa rin siya, Chef. Meron tayo, chef, mamaya special na siding. No?
Okay.
Gagawa tayo ng ensaladang Pilipino. Ang ano niya, konsepto.
So maganda rin, makakatulong din kung meron kang
Slotted spoon. Protein yan. Very high in protein. Yan, ulitin natin. Isa pang... So ito, chef, nakita nyo, nagka-caramelize na rin ng konti. So yan, okay. Konti na. Konting tutuyuin lang, chef.
para magkaroon ng color.
Color, pero hindi pa siya ganun ka-tostado. First, olive oil. This is burong dalag. Yung dalag, mudfish. No? And this is fermented for months, no? In cooked rice. Yung kanin.
Wow.
Pagkasaing, lalagay dun yung fresh na dalag, then salt. Then this is fermented on or in jars.
Wow,
until
mahirap
it
gawin
becomes
to.
like- Para siyang bagoong, pero iba yung texture niya.
So lagay ko lang ito lahat.
Lagay niyo lang, chef. Then, ni-mix mo lang, chef, tong mustasa, which is mustard green. Na-discover ko, pwede siyang substitute sa arugula. Na napaka-hirap mahanap.
Hirap mahanap.
Oo.
At mahal.
Medyo mahal ng konti. No? Although, syempre, pag gusto mo talaga arugula,
Yes,
gamitin mo. But, parang twist niya, the flavor is the same.
Tinikman ko
As
nga
arugula.
actually.
Para
Kasi
siyang wasabi flavor.
sa resto namin yung ginagamit na arugula. Or yung rocket
Rocket, yeah.
na ang hirap hanapin, hirap
Yes.
humanap ng supplier. Pero nung trinay ko to, pareho naman pala.
Yes. Ready na, chef, lahat, no? So, pwede na tayo magplato. Yung pula, yun na yung magiging sauce. Pag cut mong ganon, mag-uus
nga,
yan.
no?
Tapsilog with a twist.
Okay guys, so I grew up with this kind of dish. And I bet it's gonna be better kasi ginawa ni Chef Lawrence. Alright?
And Chef Red.
Okay, Chef Lawrence. Alright. Ano yung in-explain niyo sa akin kanina, Chef, na dapat gawin, yung magiging sauce niya?
Yung egg. Pag, kaya, yung poached egg kasi, kailangan pag poached egg, liquid pa yung yolk. So yung yolk na yon, yun yung magiging sauce pa. Especially dyan sa ano.
So,
Sa
ready
rice.
natin, no?
Yes, yun.
Yun, no?
Yan yung binibili dyan, chef.
Yan.
Yan.
Yun.
Pwede rin naman ma-achieve sa fried egg. Kaya lang, ang poached mas
healthy.
Even yung rice, chef, maganda, brown.
Ano pa rin siya?
Mustasa,
Tasa
with
na.
buro,
With buro.
burong dalag.
Wow. Wow. Meron siyang, yung alat niya tamang-tama lang. And yung buro na flavor nga,
Yes.
it goes well with everything. So parang, it still has this fresh flavor.
By the way, chef, isa sa mga features ng curriculum ng Atlas right now is the Filipino cuisine. We did it for a week. No? 1 week Filipino cuisine from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. And we have 1 day of Cavite cuisine
Cavite.
to highlight, to feature Cavite as a
And so,
culinary.
can you enroll like, gusto mo Filipino lang, okay lang?
We're planning to give that workshop also. But right now, it's included in the professional course.
Yes. No, guys, I'm telling you, if only I had the time, or if only I have the time to enroll again and to study, ginawa ko na here at Atlas Culinary Institute.
Thank
Okay,
you,
with
Chef.
my mentor, Chef Lawrence.
Thank you.
So, Chef, would you like to invite our viewers?
Please do try to visit Atlas Culinary Institute. We're located here in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. And you can also check our Facebook page and our upcoming website.
Thank you, Chef. Again.
Thank you again.
So, next week ulit.